If your TikTok Shop affiliate account feels stuck and you still haven't made that first dollar online, you're not alone. Now, I've been there too, and after making 5 figures in revenue on TikTok Shop, I can tell you the reason most people don't see a result comes down to a few simple but painful mistakes. Let's go through them. So mistake number 1 is choosing the wrong product. So when I started out, I wanted to be original. I wanted to find something new, something nobody else was selling. I thought uniqueness would make me rich, but it just wasted time. The truth, the blueprint for success already exists. If you were building a bridge, for example, you wouldn't invent new create. You'd follow what already. TikTok Shop is much the same. Find creators already winning, study their products, understand why they work, and add your own small twist. Copy the formula first and then personalize it later. That's how momentum starts. It was a hard lesson for me. Mistake number 2 was not posting enough volume. Here's what I used to do. 1 or 2 videos one day, 8 the next, then nothing for 3 days, then I refresh analytics every hour, hoping for a sale. Classic dopamine chase. But TikTok Shop is not a lottery. It's a data game. You learn by testing. The more videos you post, the more data you collect, and the faster you see patterns, especially at the beginning. Pick a schedule you can keep, even if it's only 3 a day, and stay consistent. Volume gives you feedback, and that feedback gives you clarity. Here's the 3rd mistake: putting too much pressure on yourself. Something that I used to do all the time. You open to see creators bragging about 10K, 50K profits, and suddenly you feel behind. I've been there too, comparing my day 1 to someone else's year 3, but everyone's journey is different. Some make $10 their first week, others take a month. Your only goal is to get that first dollar through the door. Once that sale hits, you have proof it's possible. Then your job is to repeat it, improve it, and scale slowly. Don't let someone else's highlight steal your progress. Now, here's the 4th mistake: waiting for the follower requirement. Now, in the UK, you need around 500 followers to qualify for TikTok Shop as of this moment. Most beginners start a new account and wait for months to hit that number. By then, the product trends have changed, the opportunity is gone, and TikTok is basically changed. It moves fast and you can't waste. You can actually buy verified accounts that already meet the requirement from reputable platforms. That's what I eventually did, and it saves weeks of waiting. Just avoid dodgy shortcuts like signing up as a shop seller with no real listings. TikTok is cracking down on that. Get qualified the right way, start promoting products, and collect data as early as possible. So if your TikTok Shop isn't selling yet, it's probably one of these reasons. Maybe wrong product, low volume, too much pressure, or just simply waiting too long. So if you fix those 4 things, then everything else will start moving. Now, if you want to see exactly how I find winning TikTok Shop products in 2025, the video on your screen walks you through the full process, step by step, for beginners. Click it and I'll see you in there.